have to form natural numbers which are less than a million, and I can only use the digits 0, 1 and 2. So let's just see. Million means 10 lakh. So I have to make numbers which are less than 10 lakh, or I cannot form this number. So all the natural numbers will be of 6 digits or 5 digit, 4 digit, 3 digit, 2 digit and 1 digit numbers. All the natural numbers which are less than 10 lakh would be of 6 digit, 5 digit, 4, 3, 2 or 1 digits. These many numbers are possible. I can solve this question by going through the way of finding numbers which are single digit, numbers which are 2 digit, numbers which are 3 digit, numbers which are 4 digit, and then adding all the cases. But I am solving it by a smarter way. Let's just observe all the numbers which are less than 10 lakh will be of the maximum 6 digits, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 digit. Now I can only use 3 digits 0, 1 and 2. So this first place can be filled in 3 ways. There are 3 ways. Now second digits, because I have to use these only digits 0, 1 and 2. I can fill this second place in 3 ways, and in similar ways I can fill all these places in 3 ways. So total number of numbers possible are 3 into 3, 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times and 6 times 3 and so on. That is equal to 3 raised to the power 6. Now, so important thing is, if I use the digit 0 in first place, that will not be a 6 digit number, it will be a 5 digit number. So it's okay to use 0 at this number. Why? Because if I place 0, because I have filled this place in 3 ways, 0, 1 or 2. If I am assuming that first digit is 0, so my number turn out to be a 5 digit number. So I have counted the number of 5 digit numbers. If second digit is also 0, third digit, fourth digit and fifth digit is also 0, now I am counting the number of single digit numbers. This way is working because I am placing all digits at all the places. Why? Because I can place 0 at this place. In that case, I will get a 5 digit number. If I place 0 in first 2 places, I will get a 4 digit number. So I can use as much zeros as I want. So if so in these total cases, one case is included where all the digits are 0 and it is not a natural number because 0 is a whole number. So I have to subtract this one case from all the numbers. So total number of ways possible, or the total number of natural numbers possible are 3 raised to the power 6 minus 1. This one case is where all the digits are 0 and 0 is a whole number. I need only natural numbers. 3 raised to the power 6 I know is 729 minus 1 is 728. So total number of possible natural numbers less than a million which can be formed by using digits 0, 1 and 2 are 728. So correct answer to this question is option B.